And then usiku ukiona tent ya mtu inatingika, there is a lot of wind, don't go and alafu ukisikia sauti ya hyena pia relax to maybe inakuja tu.
Pegs down, eh? Right. We have a very small bag here. Yeah. This one contains pegs. Okay. And then we have another bag here. This contains poles. In here we have 3 poles. We have 2 long ones and a short one. Okay. The long ones goes to the tent. Okay. The short one goes to the fire sheet.
What is the short sheet?
All right. We have 3 poles. Okay. We have 2. These 2. These are the tall ones, eh? This goes to the tent. This short one goes to the fly sheet. Okay? So this is the tent.
Okay.
Okay? This is the fly sheet. And this is the ground cover. Okay? So you always start with the ground cover to avoid water from the ground or crawling insects like scorpions. Okay. It's very easy, you just spread it down, okay, like that, then you bring the tent, okay, so the tent have 2 sides, eh? There's the rear and the front side. The front side have got zip, because it will be outdoor, okay, so in that case, this is the front.
So, how was your experience with the Keitan safari?
It was wonderful.
What did you see?
I saw the social five. The social five. The Somali giraffe was the most interesting. Looked like a sculpture.
Like a painting.
Like a painting. Imagine. Then there was the food. The food was wonderful. It's quite like such a buffet in the campsite. After the area looks quite basic.
Okay, so guys, today we are in Samburu. Samburu is a national reserve up in the north towards Marsabit, and it is a very pristine and unique destination. It has very unique animals to see apart from the ones we are used to in Naivasha, Masai Mara and other parts of the country. In Samburu we have the Samburu Special 5, we have the Somali giraffe, the Somali ostrich, the gerenux, the Besa oryx, and we also have the other big fives like the elephants and all the other good and amazing wild animals. So today we are going to Buffalo Springs. The Buffalo Springs is also a national reserve. It's just close to Samburu, and the good thing about the place, there is a natural pool where you can dive in and cool off your body after a long game drive. Then after that we come back to our campsite. We are camping. I believe you will have seen the tents that we were setting on the background, because we are doing a bush budget safari. So we have organized this for our clients to enable them to experience the wild at its best. So thank you. Let's see what Buffalo Spring has for us.